Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can check watch history on Twitter or X account. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open X app or Twitter. So let me open and log in into your account and click on your profile picture on the top left. Okay, and from here you need to click on settings and support and click on settings and privacy and click on your account and click on download an archive of your data. Click on that. So once you are on that page, it will take few seconds to load, and now you need to enter your password. And once you enter your password, you have the access to download your data that include your watch history as well. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.